How to clean a yoga mat naturally. 8 tested DIY methods, plus maintenance tips. If your yoga mat smells like a gym bag or feels sticky no matter how much you wipe it, you don't need harsh chemicals. I tested 8 natural DIY methods to clean a yoga mat, and which one you should use depends entirely on your mat's material. Let's get into it. Quick heads up, not every method works on every mat. Oils and citrus can ruin PU and natural rubber, and soaking will destroy TPE and cork. I'll flag what's safe as we go, and always patch test a small corner first. The 8 methods. Method 1. White vinegar spray. Your everyday workhorse. Equal parts distilled water and white vinegar. Mist it on, wipe in circles, flip the mat, and repeat. Safe for almost every mat. Use sparingly on natural rubber. Method 2. Tea tree oil spray. For PVC, TPE, and cotton. Never PU or natural rubber, since oils ruin their grip. Mix water, a splash of vinegar, and 3 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Spray, wait 1 full minute so it can actually disinfect, then wipe dry. Method 3. Baking soda paste. For stubborn stains and odors. Mix baking soda with a touch of water into a paste. Apply, wait 15 minutes, scrub gently, then wipe clean. Safe on PVC, TPE, and cotton. Method 4. Lemon juice refresh. For PVC and TPE only. Citric acid dries out rubber. Wipe with diluted lemon juice, then always follow with a plain water wipe, or your mat turns sticky. Method 5. Sea salt scrub. For PVC mats only, and perfect for breaking in a brand new mat. Mist, sprinkle coarse salt, scrub 2 minutes, rinse, and dry. Skip this on rubber, PU, or cork. Salt shreds soft surfaces. Method 6. Castile soap wipe down. A weekly deep clean for PVC, TPE, cotton, and light cork use. A little Castile soap and water lifts body oils that vinegar alone can't touch. Rinse well. Leftover soap makes your mat slippery. Method 7. The bathtub soak. The deepest clean for PVC and cotton mats only. Never PU, rubber, TPE, or cork. Soak 15 to 20 minutes in cool water with mild soap. Rinse until suds are gone. Then dry flat for 24 to 48 hours. Method 8. Witch hazel spray. The gentlest option. Ideal for sensitive skin or pricey mats. Witch hazel in water with lavender oil if your mat tolerates it. Spray and wipe. Dries faster than vinegar. Maintenance tips. A few habits matter more than any single recipe. Always dry your mat completely flat before rolling it up. Trapped moisture causes mold and that locker room smell. Keep it out of direct sunlight since UV cracks rubber over time. Use distilled water in your sprays, not tap, to avoid mineral spots. And store it in a breathable bag, never sealed plastic. So that's 8 natural ways to clean your yoga mat matched to the material you actually own. If you want to buy the floor mats in a range of trendy designs, colors, patterns, and styles, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you next time.